Narrated by Abu Musa, the Prophet ﷺ said, "The example of guidance and knowledge with which Allah has sent me is like abundant rain falling on the earth, some of which was fertile soil that absorbed rainwater and brought forth vegetation and grass in abundance, and another portion of it was hard and held the rainwater, and Allah benefited the people with it, and they utilized it for drinking, making their animals drink from it, and for irrigation of the land for cultivation. And a portion of it was barren, which could not neither hold the water nor bring forth vegetation. Then that land gave no benefits." The first is the example of a person who comprehends Allah's religion and gets benefit from the knowledge which Allah has revealed through me, the prophets, and learned and teach them to others. The last example is that of a person who does not care for it and does not take Allah's guidance revealed through me. He is like that barren land. Hadith number 79, Sahih Bukhari.